Hey everybody, it's Lane with Crafty Life Mom, and I am back with another DIY tutorial. Okay, so for today's DIY, we are actually going to be making plates. And if you have ever been to the Dollar Tree, you know that they have a kitchen section where they have like a lot of cooking utensils, and they also have like plates, like ceramic plates and mugs and glassware. Well, if you look really close, I know most Dollar Trees carry clear plates. And so this is the plate that we are going to be making today. We're not really making the plate, we're gonna decorate and embellish it. So this is not a full-size dinner plate. It is actually more of a salad plate. You can see like the size of it there with my hand, or even a dessert plate. But I think the idea here is to actually stack this maybe on a dinner plate, and I will show you at the end of this video how I actually bring it all together once we decorate the plate. So for today's project, we are going to be making this buffalo check, which is a blue navy colored buffalo check and lemon plate. I'm super excited to share this DIY with you. It's nothing really new, but I really just feel like this is a cute project. Anyone can do it, and it's very, very simple. So I'm gonna flip the camera around and let's get started. Okay guys, so once you have all of your supplies, you will want to go ahead and print off an image that you want to be shown on the top of your plate, or what you want to see as if you were looking down at the plate at your table setting. I chose this lemon tree image that I found on the internet, and I printed it out 6 times since my table is going to be a setting for 6. I just cut it out by hand and making sure I got real close to the edges, trying not to cut off into the image itself. I didn't worry too much about the white space that was inside of the image because my napkin has some white to the pattern, and so I thought that the 2 whites would kind of blend in once it was all put together with Mod Podge. So once you have your images print out, you'll want to then go ahead and flip your plate over to the back side and apply a thin coat of Mod Podge to the back of the plate and to the top layer of your image. Then facing it down onto the back of the plate, you'll want to go ahead and put the image down so that you can see it from the front side. Then using your Mod Podge, go ahead and put another thin layer over both the image and the glass. After that, you'll want to go ahead and take your napkin or fabric, you can choose to do fabric for this project if you want, and cut out a circle shape of your plate so that it will fully cover the back side of your plate. Now, you can do a 2-ply or a 3-ply, and you'll see here in just a moment that I was going to keep it at a 2-ply and then went back and added the 3rd layer of the napkin just to create a heavier thickness to the plate, and I Mod Podged each layer, which you'll see here in just a moment. Once the Mod Podge was dry on the back side of my plate, I decided to go ahead and use a white acrylic paint to just paint a thin coat of white paint on the back side of the napkin. The reason for this is just to make sure that if there was any parts of the pattern of the napkin that was kind of see-through, you wouldn't be able to see through the glass part of the plate, that you would just only see the white background of the actual pattern. Once the white paint was completely dry, after about an hour or so, I went back with my dishwasher safe Mod Podge and put an entire coat on the back side of the plate. When it was dry, I trimmed any edges of the napkin that might have been sticking out over the edges, and basically let all 6 plates dry before I styled it on my dining room table. I really love the way that this turned out. It's a fun project that you can easily do inexpensively for all different types of seasons and holidays. And in just a moment here, you'll see exactly how it looks styled on my dining room table for the summer season. This is a super cute and fun project, and I really hope you enjoyed it. Okay guys, so that's it for today's DIY. Leave a comment down below, let me know what you think. I just think that these turned out super cute. It's a fun project. It's nothing new. In fact, it's a project that I think I've done like in my past as a kid, like at a summer camp or something. So it was really fun to share it with you and bring this project back to life with a simple, easy to do with modern decor theme to it. And if you are new to the Crafty Life Mom community, please make sure that you hit the red subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every new video and project that I upload. Until my next video, I will see you guys next time. Bye.